Above, beyond, always. Those words capture the heart of what MORryde tries to do every day when dealing with our customers. At our core, we just want to treat people the way that we'd like to be treated. No one department at MORryde captures this effort more than our service department, where we meet RVers from all over the country. As we help them with upgrades to their RV, we also hear some of their stories. We thought we'd let you meet some of these people and hear their stories as well. It's part of what makes the RV lifestyle unique and attractive to so many people.
Hi, my name is Les Simpson, and we've been in the fifth wheel RVing business for going on 3 years now. It started out first initially, the wife and I thought we'd like to do it just for recreation and vacation purposes. Then it had a job change and I needed it to live in, and then it turned back into a retirement plan. So we're really enjoying it that way. So far, this is our second trip coming up through Indiana and going on up into the UP, and next year we're planning a trip out west, so that'll be our long, probably a 3-month trip. It's primarily a camping trip, and I'm hoping that we might be able to find a fishing guide and go out and catch some Lake Superior or St. Mary's big fish up there. So looking forward to that, and also riding on the ferry from the mainland UP over to Drummond Island. This is our second fifth wheel, and the first one we ended up with a Montana High Country, the 305 RL 17 model year. And it was a great trailer, only 36 feet long, but you have to buy one and travel in it. It was great for weekends, but when we did the extended first trip last year, there were some things about the layout that my wife didn't appreciate so much. So, you know, we'd been looking again, and we wanted to stay in the Montana High Country family, and we ended up with the 373 RD, and it just doesn't have an island, and that was her big criteria. And the thing I like is it has not only a basement, but a garage in it, and the garage has the 8-foot MORryde slide, so that's very enjoyable. We had initially thought about upgrading the 305 and putting the independent suspension on it, and scheduling just didn't work out, so I just upgraded the axles and put disc brakes on, which I think ought to be a requirement on fifth wheels. It just adds peace of comfort and makes up for the other drivers that can't make up their minds. So when we bought the new one, we said independent all the way with disc brakes, so we've made one trip with it with the traditional axles and brakes on it. So we're in today for the independent suspension and disc brakes, and also change into the MORryde Kingpin assembly. Well, I heard about MORryde products mostly through the mock forum, and also going to trade shows. MORryde is a predominant vendor there, and I've come to appreciate the quality and thought that they put into their products before they put them on the market. So, you know, MORryde's always my first choice, and it's usually money well spent. From the IS itself, from everything that I've read on the mock forum, and also talking to especially full-time RVers, is just an improved ride. And with the improved ride, you're not going to tend to damage the fifth wheels much by shaking it apart. So I'm really looking forward to that. And of course, having the disc brakes on there at the same time will help. So if people haven't done it, if they have older units, I would highly recommend the step above MORryde steps, and we love the side handle on the steps. You know, the trays and the other features that MORryde offers. You know, I had the cord reel in my old unit, and with the 373 design, I don't really need it, so I might be readapting it, turning it into a hose reel, but had the plant tour yesterday and thoroughly enjoyed seeing things. You know, it's a second tour for me, but every time you go through something, you see something new, and just looking at some of the new products and the quality machinery that MORryde's investing in to provide good products is very reassuring to see.